Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an Olympia cremina espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the lever was super stiff and you basically just need a tune out, which means replacing the gaskets inside the piston as well as pretty much all these moving parts. And now the machine, now that we just did the tune out, this lever is super easy to just lift and doesn't really provide any problems right now. Unfortunately, the ground was way too coarse for this machine, and I need to be a little bit more finer. That's why you see some coffee dripping as soon as I pull up the lever. But still a pretty good shot. Steamer working perfectly fine in this machine, and pretty much everything is perfect in the machine. It's just really important to filter to just show you how good the water flow is. Pretty much how easy it is to just lift this thing. Very easy to move. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more quick reviews every day.